and welcome back to card number 5 of my all occasion stamper stack. And this is another really easy one for the penultimate card. My name is Julie Sutcliffe and I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK. And this one uses exactly the same measurements as card numbers 3 and 4. If I just, no, 2 and 3 even. Same measurements for the white piece. So we're going to cut an A6 card down, and this is the 5th time, so we should be able to do that without Julie showing you that. But I've cut this down, so this measures 21 by 14.8.5, and I've scored at 10.5. Okay, so I'm actually going to do a tent fold one this time, so it opens up like that and stands up like that. And I've used this piece this time. If you want to look at the back, it's like that lovely sky. Okay, now I might make a little change to this one because my greeting was a little bit too big, I feel, at the bottom. So you need to cut some white card down. Oops, my trimmer's upside down. And it needs to be 8.5, which that should be, yep, by 12.8. So again, this is the 3rd time that we've done this. So we should be all good with that. And that's just going to go here like this. Okay. Now we're going to cut our paper down. And first things first, I'm going to cut 1 centimetre from the top of the image. So just 1 centimetre from that, just so the tree's a little bit higher up, okay? Now, I'm only going to cut this to 7 centimetres, all right? So I'm just cutting it to 7. I think that's right. Yep. 7 by 12.3. Just so we can leave that little gap at the bottom for our greeting. So the paper is cut at 7 by 12.3. Now you've got that piece left, which is cracking. You know, you've got another lovely piece for another card. So that's going to go on there like that. See, that's all we're going to do with that one. So we're going to stick that down. So this is like today, it's like 3 ways of using a piece of white card that's 8.5 by 12.8. Now, I did this greeting and I think it looks a little bit too big. So I may use the smaller ones from the Go To Greetings stamp set. I think I'll do Happy Birthday. I don't think I might have used this. I'm not sure if I have. Oh, I have. I've got the sticker on it, so I must have done. If the sticker's on it, I must have used it. Okay. Right. It's always worth checking because sometimes how the stamps, I'm just going to show you this. If you look at my sticker distribution, it's quite even. The sticker's sort of evenly spaced on the stamp. But when I look at this, there's more rubber there to the top than the bottom. So I'm just going to take that into account when I'm stamping. So I might do it higher up than what I'd planned, if that makes sense. Yeah, and then you see it's where I wanted it to be. If I'd have gone lower down, it would have been off the bottom. And I do like that style there better than my first one. Now I think what I will do is I think I will layer that up with some dimensionals because I haven't done that with any of the ones I've made, have I? I did on some of my samples. Okie doke. Can you tell my lighting's got, I'm filming this a bit later on in the day. And that's going to go on there like that. Okay. And there we have card number 5. Card number 5. And that was like literally a 5-minute card, honestly. But I like them. I really like it. And we've just got one more card to do, which this was at 1 o'clock, this video, wasn't it? So the last card will be at 1:45, 1:45. And I will see you then at 1:45. I can't wait to see all the cards that you've made. Please do share them on my group, or if you're sharing on your own socials, please do tag me in. And I'll see you in a little while. Bye for now.